Okay, student. Here I will discuss a new question, that is distinguish between current account and capital account of balance of payments accounts. Okay, so this is the question. So yeah, I have already discussed what is current account and what is capital account and what are the items that will be included in current account and capital account. But when we distinguish current account and capital account, we will write it in this form. Okay, in this way: left side we will write current account, okay, and right side we will write capital account. Okay, so in capital account, what are the things which are recorded in capital account? We know it because we have already discussed what are the items are recorded in current account. Okay, what are the items are recorded or what are the items are registered in current account? We know it. So number one is export and imports of goods, which is visible. Okay, next, number 2, export and import of services. Okay, that means invisible. Okay, and the third point is unilateral lateral transfer. What is unilateral transfer? We have already discussed. Transfer of gifts, okay, aids, this type of things are unilateral transfer. So these are the items which is recorded in current account. And in the side of capital account, number one is investment. Number one is investments. What type of investments? Like purchase of share, debenture, okay, like purchase of share, debenture. Okay, these are the things. This type of investment we will will record in capital account. Okay, and these things we have already discussed in our previous classes. Next, borrowings. We also discussed it. Borrowings. Okay, if you borrow money from any institutions or from any country, then it will be recorded in the capital account, whatever be the amount of money. Okay, if you borrow money from rest of the world, whether it is in any country or from any institutions, okay, it will be recorded in the capital account. Okay, so loans, borrowings will be recorded in the capital account. Next, changes in reserves of gold and foreign exchange. Okay, foreign exchange with the central bank. That means with the RBI. You can write with the central bank or you can write RBI. So this is the this is how we distinguish current account and capital account of balance of payment. Okay, so whenever any questions, whether it is current account or capital account or normal goods, inferior goods, whatever the questions may come, if the question comes like in distinguished form, then you must write it in left side and right side pattern. Okay, left side you write one thing and right side you write another thing. Okay, in this way you distinguish or difference. Okay, then it will be an appropriate way to distinguish to distinguish any topics. To distinguish any topics, you always distinguish in this form. Okay, not like just write a paragraph and make some points. Okay, that is not the appropriate way of distinguish. So in this way, you always, whatever be the question in distinguished form, you always write in left side, right side way. Okay, next question we will discuss another thing.